This is the little Pepto-Boone small filly. I've got a little bonnet on her that we cow, horse, and cutter people use just to get a little level top line, help bring up her back. She's kind of shocky, so need to bring her focus down, build some different muscle on her, in her mind and on her body and in her back. She was slow to mature. She's a 5-year-old this year. That's going to be a real good thing with her. Look at her reach. That's pretty when she starts getting into her trot. She really grabs the dirt. Ooh, ooh, ooh.